Hello, hello. It's been a crazy week. Where to even start? Well, I guess I should probably talk about the holiday market. That market, listen, I'll be honest. When I go to that market, I never expect to make a whole lot, but the good thing is that it's normally pretty consistent, the amount that I make, and a lot of the times I just go to spend time with my friends, which are also some amazing artists, and it's just fun. But I actually had to leave early because we ended up going to go see King and Country, which was an amazing show. They were running late actually, and it was because there was snow in the pass, and they were actually coming from Idaho to Washington State, and the pass from Idaho over to our side of the mountains near the coast, the pass was closed and they got like 5 feet of snow. So they had to shut it down, and they went around and came back, and they set up for the concert in 4 hours, which is amazing. And it was an amazing show. And so was my little art event. It was good. I really enjoyed it, but it was a really busy day. Oh, what else? Oh my gosh, there's just been so much that happened this week. I was on my way off the island in my work car, and as I was driving, a tree fell on my car. I mean, I was fine. It could be way worse, but the whole back window was busted, and then yeah, all the paperwork that goes along with it. So that was wonderful. And it's just been a very exciting week for all sorts of things. It's been pretty slow. I haven't been painting at all, to be honest. I'm just like trying to chill out. Tomorrow is our Santa 5K, and I got my Santa outfit. I don't know if I'll show it to you guys, but it's pretty funny. Here, actually, I have it over here. So I haven't even taken it out of the packaging, but this is it. So me and my friend are going to be wearing this with the hat and the beard and trousers. Oh my gosh. I will take pictures and share them with you, but oh my gosh, it's so funny, but it's going to be fun. I've never ran a 5K, which it sounds like to me we're not really going to be running, but I would like to run a little bit because I've been training for it. And the other day I ran 3 miles, so I should be able to do it again. But I also don't want to leave my friend behind. My art studio is a giant mess right now because I have not been doing diddly squat. In here, to be honest, I'm exhausted. I think I need a good little break. And I actually ended up not posting on my last week because I was too busy trying to get set up my wonderful computer system that I have here now. Which now I have 2 monitors and a new computer, which is actually a desktop that's under here that you guys saw earlier, which is like super fancy. And I still have to list a whole bunch of stuff, but I'm hoping I'll be able to do that, and I'll kind of take you guys along. But really not a whole lot going on this week. Just trying to chill out and enjoy life a little bit. I'm hoping this weekend I will have some time to do some art stuff, but we will see. I'm also going to be working overtime next weekend. There's so many things going on. I feel like maybe I do need to take a break for the rest of the holiday. But I don't know. We will see. I don't really know what else to do here. But I just want to tell you guys that I appreciate you so much, and I might talk to you later. I don't know. Yeah, I'll show you my whole new setup too here. But till then, I'll talk to you guys later. I just wanted to share some pictures from the 5K. This was actually in Anacortes, Washington. There were so many Santas. It was so fun. This is us before we started the run. And then, oh man, at the end of it, the rain and the wind came hard and we were soaked and sweating because we were running towards the end. So much fun. Sorry, I'm kind of flying off the cuff right now. I'm just setting up my photo booth to actually do some listings because it is almost Christmas and I haven't listed anything on Etsy like I should, and I'm just going for it. So I'm kind of going to show you a bit of my setup right now. My art studio is really small and I have so much stuff. In here, it's kind of just a big fat mess. I've got 2 chairs in here actually. Oh my gosh, it's... All right, let me show you. Okay, so right now I have this light box, which is taking up all the light here. So maybe here, I'll turn it off real quick. Okay, that's better. Now you guys can actually see. So this is my light box and I'm gonna be putting my ornaments in there and some stuff in the background. And then I'm going to be taking some pictures and then taking pictures with my phone, doing some watermarks on it, and then listing it on my Etsy. I've got so much stuff to list. I've got a ton of ornaments here. I don't even know if I should show you my actual studio because it is just a big fat mess right now. But because I really like to be real with you guys instead of being fake. Lighting is terrible in here right now because we live in Washington State and the sun starts going down at 4 o'clock now. It is terrible. I have a little table here where my light box is. This is actually, I'm giving out Christmas gifts for my girls' teachers. And so that's all set up there. And I also have a little corner over here where they actually have all their art supplies. And I actually share my studio. And then I've got my little sticker display here. And right here, this is an Alex drawer from IKEA. That painting is actually from my grandfather who passed away quite some time ago. But my Alex drawers is there. I actually have to rewire that painting to be able to put it up on my wall. And then, as I move over here slowly, right over here is actually where the magic happens. This is where I do all my painting. Oh, I got my medal there. I didn't share that with you, but I'll share that later. Slowly, so I don't make anybody sick. Right here, it's a big mess. I'm so embarrassed. Should I show you the whole thing? I don't know. Okay, maybe I will. Let's be real because I like being real. I don't like being fake and pretending like my life is not a mess right now. So I will do that. Just hold on. Because I like keeping it real and I haven't had time to clean up. So here's my light box. The table is not normally there. Normally this is all an open space. Here is my Alex drawer that has all of my art supplies. This here is actually my planner cards where I keep all of my planner stickers. And then over here is where my standing desk is. This is where I do all of my computer work from home with my real job. And I do all my art stuff. So right now I'm actually watching a review for a potential coffee maker that I might purchase for me and my husband for a Christmas gift. Counters are covered with a whole bunch of stuff. Floor is, yeah, I took off my shoes. So yeah, this is just real life, people. This is just real. And I'm trying to do this slow so I don't make anybody sick. And then I've got all that. And then there's, of course, my girl stuff and sweaters. It's just such a mess. I'm so embarrassed. But lighting is terrible. But we are just being real, and I haven't recorded anything art-wise. I haven't painted in weeks. So I thought I would share what I'm doing here because this is what's going to happen. And I'm trying to, actually what I'm doing, because I was originally going to do like a big drop of stuff, but you know what? I'm just going to list stuff because I do not have the time or the energy to be like, hey, I'm having a sale. Please come and buy stuff. You know what? If you follow my shop, you will know when I get stuff sooner than anybody else. So thank you for those dedicated people who support me and will see my stuff before everyone else. You know what? I might do a listing on stories. Okay, my kids are coming, so I gotta go. Okay, talk to you guys later. Alright guys, actually let me fix this just a little bit. There we go. Well, this is going to be the end of this vlog, and actually I thought it would be fun because Christmas is just a couple days away, and I wanted to share some of my ornaments that I've done over the years from like 2018 I think is when I first started doing ornaments to this year. And I thought it'd be fun just to show you the progress or how I've kind of transitioned doing my ornaments, and it shows a little bit of growth actually in my art. So I thought we would do that before shutting it down for the season. So this is an ornament. I do believe this is the first design that I actually did. And this one, I'm pretty sure I did this in 2019. But to be honest, I don't really remember. It was so long ago. And then I did this design, if it will focus. It's the, I can't remember when I actually did this. This one is actually one I never finished, but I'm pretty sure I did this or a similar design in 2020. And it was actually green and red, but this is pretty similar. It's been sitting on my desk for quite some time and I just never finished it. And then this one I did in 2022, and it was, or no, not 2022, 2021. And this has also been sitting on my desk unfinished for a while. And this one I did in 2022. This one actually is a pink glitter. This is definitely not traditional colors, but this is the other design that I did. And then this one I actually did just this year and I decided to add it. So this one is for 2023 and I absolutely love how it worked out. Well, friends, that's going to be it for me for 2023. I am looking forward to 2024. Don't really know what to expect or what my goals are going to be, but I thought it was fun just to show you my ornaments that I've made throughout the years. And this is actually going to be my last vlog for 2023. And I want to definitely make sure that I post this one for you guys before Christmas is over and the year's over. And I just want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and I will see you in 2024.